Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how can you create YouTube short and add your logo using CapCut PC. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need is just to import necessary videos and your logo, of course, so just click on import and import all the parts. So I will use this video. In order to create a YouTube shorts, we firstly need to change the format of our video. So as you can see now it's set like 9:16, but sometimes it could be set like this, like 16:9, like horizontal. So make sure that you'll click on player right up here on this icon and then just change it to vertical to make it like a YouTube shorts format. So after that we need to resize it to fill the gaps. And now basically our video is ready to be exported, but we need to add our logo. So I'll just import my logo here. So I will just move it right like this on the top line and then just make it fill all the gaps here. So I will also just on auto snapping. And as you can see now it looks like this. So we need to resize it and then just move it somewhere we need to it be located. So as you can see here, there will be like the name, the channel link. So I will just add it right up here, decrease the size. And now our video looks like this. As you can see, it looks much better and it's like more connected to our channel now. So basically we can now click on export, change all the settings here, export folder, resolution, codec format, and then just click on export. So this is the way of how can we add our logo on YouTube short. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.